Sawadee ka, Chef Nikki here on our Thai takeover today. I am here at Jennifer's house. I'm so excited with the extra challenges. She is celiac and she's a vegetarian and she brought a friend. So let's go tie things up. Look at that. I think she left me some treats. Everybody should do this. This is so neat. Hi.
Oh, wonderful.
Nice to meet you, Jennifer.
So good to see you.
Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, come on in. Come this way.
This is so beautiful.
Thank you. And there's
Wow.
a surprise guest for you.
Hi. How are you? Wait, how do you two know each other?
We work out together.
Yes.
I started taking classes with her.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is gonna be a cray-cray.
It is.
Cray-cray episode.
Let's
Are we
hope
ready?
so.
Let's check out, see what you got. Oh yeah, we're stocked. I think we're good. We're gonna be good today.
Yeah, that's a lot.
We got basil, bok choy, snap peas.
I try and cook kind of things that my kids would like. It's
Okay.
not, you know, it tends to be more quicker things just because
The way I like it.
I don't want to be making 10 different dishes. So I kind of make one thing, and if you like it, great. If you don't, there's a pantry and you can
We're
make
gonna go
something
check the
for
pantry
yourself.
then. Wow, I could live in here too. And it's so organized. I love it. We've got onions, shallots, garlic, sausage. I mean, my brain's. Why? She has a lot of people
I have
who
6
live here.
kids.
I grabbed some of your rice paper and some of your rice sticks.
Okay.
Celiac friendly. Everybody loves that stuff. I'm excited for this.
Okay.
It's a
Me
good
too.
staple.
Me too.
Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna make now. So we had so much to play with, basically, and I'm super excited because we're gonna be able to make something that is for you, celiac friendly, also vegetarian. Are you a vegetarian too?
No, I am not.
Good thing, because we got chicken.
Let's go.
We're gonna do something called ก๋วยเตี๋ยวลุยสวน
Okay.
Can you say that?
No.
It translates into noodles in the garden.
Okay.
I guess that kind of means noodle salad.
Okay.
Yeah, that kind of makes more sense, right? But word for word, it means noodle in the garden. So we got some noodles. And then we found all these amazing vegetables where we're gonna add flavor to some tofu. We're gonna add flavor to our chicken. And we're gonna also sear those beautiful bok choys and add some flavor to that. You guys up for that?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. That's all you, Bobby.
Do what now?
Cutting board
Send
there.
positive vibes out to the universe and I keep all of my limbs.
Please do. You're gonna do bok choy. You ready?
Ready?
Okay,
Grab
slice everything.
Oh, okay.
You can do multiple of them at the same time. And then this tofu that you have, Jennifer,
Yes.
how do you normally prep that?
I use a little device and it takes all the water out.
Never seen the tofu press before
Let
in
me
my
show
life.
you.
A tofu press?
A tofu press.
Wow!
So-
It actually says easy tofu press.
Yes.
That's kind of genius.
And then you just
Don't
bring it
label
down,
anything else. Don't confuse it, right?
and then it just presses the water out, and then you spill it and press it
Can I
down.
have you be in charge of tofu then?
Absolutely.
Okay, I want to see how this goes.
Can we switch?
You do a lot of cooking at home, right?
I do a lot of grilling. Yes, I do.
Really?
I do. Typically.
Sounds like we need to grill some bok choy, but no, not on this episode.
No.
So you never know. Like sometimes, like it depends on if you get like a soft tofu or
This is a super firm.
yeah.
I saw on the package. Look at you. Wow. It's gonna start raining tofu liquid.
A little bit. You start seeing some of it come out.
So taking out all the water actually makes the searing process probably a lot faster than trying to, get all that liquid out from the heat. How do you decide when you're done pressing?
Well, I don't want to press too much that I break it.
Correct. Firm but gentle.
Yeah. So enough that I feel like the water is kind of not coming out as much as it was before.
Makes sense. So I understand that the two of you have watched a lot of our Thai Takeover episodes.
Yes.
What have you learned?
I watch for your cooking techniques. I learned by watching. I learned how to cook mostly from watching my grandmother and my mother. My grandmother was trained at Cordon Bleu in London.
Wow.
And then I guess she showed my mother and in turn taught me. They said, don't necessarily do, just watch.
That's genius. And you
Yeah.
pretty much have learned from like the best of the best. Cordon Bleu training, your grandmother, that combination in two.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
No wonder you love to cook.
So what I do when I watch the Thai Takeover is I more watch the technique of what you're doing, cutting the chicken or prepping the food, that kind of thing. That's where I learn.
We got our tofu and our chicken all sliced up. We're gonna like fry it, get some crispness. How we doing over there, Bobby?
Fantastic. Look at all this. I
Nice.
have
Look at
done.
you.
I am
So
killing
pretty.
it.
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
Wait, what are you doing?
I am chopping like I've been
Chopping? Yes, you have.
about
It
to-
looks pretty, but we don't want to be wasteful.
What?
Let's just take a little bit off. A little bit off. Not this much. Not this much.
Oopsie.
That's okay. Actually, I'm going to go back and try to get all the
Nobody
goodies
gave
out
me
of this.
instructions on how to do it.
But you're just having fun. But guess what? You're okay. I end up always kind of just going in and taking the cloves off, I guess.
Would've been
But
nice
I've
to know.
seen. Now we know. Now
Nikki,
we
I
know.
love you. You know this, right?
I know. You just gotta start dancing while I do this now. So Bobby is a professional dance instructor here.
Only if Jennifer does it with me.
Okay, you do. I cut garlic,
Ready?
you dance.
Well, okay, so behind her, a single.
Now
Go,
I can't
go,
do
Nikki.
it.
Go, Nikki. It's your birthday. Get
the
it,
garlic.
get it,
Get it.
Cut that garlic. You're right. Hey, cut the garlic. Get it.
Okay.
It's like you're
That was
hype
fun.
women. You know?
I am. I separate all and then have fun with it. I personally don't love to chop garlic. Do you have a trick for that?
You bang it
Okay.
like with the knife or you press it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
So much easier. Okay, I'm gonna let you continue then.
Thank you for the tricks.
That could
you
have
so
come
much.
maybe like a while ago, right? As she continues to cut some amazing garlic, let's turn the heat up.
okay.
I'm gonna have you be in charge of the tofu.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Perfect.
How we doing over there, Bobby? What is that?
Fantastic. Yes.
Look, you just went from
I'm a
amateur
fast
to
learner.
professional. Yes, you are. You wanna add the tofu gently.
Okay.
Give it enough space so, I mean, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, girl, you cook for a household of 6, so kudos to you.
Thank you.
And I can tell that you love doing this so much.
I do.
You're like in your happy place. It's
I
amazing.
am. I do love to cook. I think it
Feeds your soul.
does. And then you get to then people
That was very good.
well and then watching people enjoy food. It's great.
I love. And once it kind of firms up, if you're gonna start tossing it around, and I love how she's not afraid of this little situation. Look how close, she's closer to the pan than I am.
I know, I'm like, it's popping
I
off.
know, I'm like,
feeling the heat.
Okay, Jennifer, you might want to back up a
It's a
little
little hot.
bit. So I turn the fire off, let it kind of cool
Okay.
down a little bit. But we're gonna toss in just some of the bok choy to add some flavor. I didn't even do the flavor on this
You got that.
because now that I see all this amazing garlic that you chopped up,
Thank
girl.
you. Thank you.
Yes. You want to put in the bok choy?
Sure. All of it or half?
Let's do all of it.
Okay. Maybe some garlic got in.
But yes, please. Some garlic, a little bit of shallot.
You want
Worked very hard on that garlic.
some shallots?
Put a little shallots in there. Beautiful. We don't need to cook that much, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of our gluten-free stir-fry sauce, yes, and just tossing it around. I don't think I even have the fire on. I don't, because I don't want to overcook it. The residual heat's gonna continue to cook it. You slice it small enough that it's going to cook, but at the same time, it's gonna stay crispy. Because when you overcook bok choy, it can just disintegrate. There's so much water in there. You don't want to use such high heat.
So that was only maybe a minute.
Yeah. We're gonna do the same
sure.
thing with the chicken. If you like to add some garlic to this.
All of it?
Oh, no. Thank you. Yes, we're gonna put the rest of that.
You go, oh, no.
Sorry. normally this dish in Thailand, we use a lot of pork, and we normally would have ground pork that has been cooked in a very similar flavor sauce with some garlic, and that becomes the meat of choice. But in this case, we're gonna use tofu and chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'll let you do the honors and put some sauce in.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, sous chef Bobby.
My pleasure, Nikki.
What do you think? So we're gonna finish cooking this chicken. We're gonna start assembling and making the sauce. Okay, we're gonna assemble. Are y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay, you look so ready. And this magical gadget that Jennifer has to wet your rice paper, we're gonna roll everything in this rice paper. And the beauty of this, you can pick and choose whatever you wanna put in it, right? Depending on that person's personality, what they love to eat and not like to eat, right?
Right.
I like everything. What do you normally like in these?
We usually do a little base of lettuce, some peppers, sugar snap peas, some carrots.
My favorite thing to do is I use my pinchers, and I have all my other fingers like just hanging out, and I use this fingers to hold, and I go forward with that. But most important, I love to make sure that, you know, I get a good wrap. But actually, it's gonna be pretty. Let's not even wrap it like that. I know I normally do it in the restaurant, but here, I'm just gonna keep going forward, and then we're gonna cut it into this beautiful bite size. Look how pretty that is.
Beautiful.
Okay, now your turn. While you guys roll, I'm gonna put some sauce together. Sounds good?
Okay. You have to wet it. You have to wet it.
Oh, got it. Of course, I knew that. I just didn't know where the water was.
Put your hand in the water a little bit. Put some more water on your rice paper. It will help make it super palatable. Look at her. While you guys are doing that, having fun, I'm gonna make, hopefully, your favorite new sauce for the vegetable rolls. So we have this beautiful fresh garlic from Bobby's hands going into all this fresh lime juice. We have some shallots. I want to add...
Busted my little thing. I truly, it busted out. Like, I don't know what to do.
You can always save it with another one on top.
Okay, let's hit it.
Right? Okay, I'm gonna add some hot sauce to this because you have some people in your household that also like spicy. Bobby, how can you handle spice?
I can handle spice. Yes,
Okay,
I can.
love it. I'm gonna add a little bit of gluten-free soy. So we're playing with the 4 S's, sweet, sour, spicy, salty. We got that lime juice. We got some hot sauce for the spice, some soy sauce for the saltiness, and then this sweet and sour for a little bit of sweetness.
Okay.
We're just playing.
Can we cut?
Would you
Okay,
like to
cut.
stop and let
What
her
are
know
you
what
doing?
she's doing?
Oh my, what? I cannot read. What?
I am hearing
I know,
and
busted.
Bobby's just like big question mark.
I'm like,
in her head,
what?
Poor Jeep is losing it. Like,
What I need for you to do
He's
is,
like, I want to come in and help.
oh, put that on here. Got it.
I am going to chiffonade.
okay.
Pretty much just means slice it very thinly. Some fresh basil. And in this sauce I've had, I know you guys have been really busy over there, so I'm gonna repeat what I put in here. You're really busy over there. We have fresh lime juice, put a little bit of soy sauce, some hot sauce, and some sweet and sour. And then we had the beautiful garlic and shallots. That was chopped by Bobby earlier. You can dip.
Dip.
I'm dipping.
Okay.
Here you go, girl.
Oh, thank you.
What do you think?
Oh, crap.
You like? It's so fresh.
That's incredible.
No oil,
No oil.
very clean. Look a big bite.
That is so good.
You want to do a rebite? You want to do a rebite? I kind of went low on the spice, but if we can add some of this yummy, crispy chili garlic topping with some more Thai basil on top, next level.
Okay. I'll try it.
And then,
And then the
scoop some
sauce.
sauce. Get some of that good, yes, the chunky veggie bowl. Yes, please. Do you need one?
I am good.
Okay.
Thank you. I had a really thick roll.
I'm not, like, I don't love super spice. That's not super spicy. It's flavorful.
Yes, adds crunch.
Yes.
Your household's all about crunch and crispy. We got
Yes.
crispy this, and then like crispy
Oh
garlic.
my God.
So good. So successful salad roll. Unbelievable. It has been an honor to be in your house. I've had so much fun
Likewise.
getting to connect with you. Thank you.
Thank you. This has been great.
Thank you.
Until next time, watch all of our episodes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Right, ladies? You watch all of them?
Absolutely.
Yes. See you later. ขอบคุณค่ะ